Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Pinterest. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the Pinterest app here. You can do the same steps on your iPhone or Android. It doesn't matter. Once we're on here at the very bottom right, we will tap on our profile icon. And you can see my current name on Pinterest is, hey, I can change that name to whatever I want by tapping on the three dots at the very top right here, and then I'll tap on Settings. From here, the very first option, Public Profile. I'll tap on that, and now this gives us the opportunity to change the name. So right under a name where it says, hey, I can tap there, and now I can type in whatever other name I want, and then done here, and you'll see now it has changed my name to whatever I want. I can also change the cover photo or the profile photo if I want to change that, in addition to changing my name as well. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.